Grok, put her in a bikini and rub her down with baby oil. Grok, replace her outfit with dental floss. Grok, have one of them grab her boobs from behind and the other one put his hand under her skirt while kissing her. Taoiseach, these are just some of the vile prompts given to Grok, an AI tool on the X social media platform, which has generated hundreds of thousands of abusive images online. These images are not a mistake. This is the model working as intended. Last year, new edit features were added to Grok to make it easy to undress people in photographs. Incredibly, no thought was apparently given to how this tool would be used and weaponised against women. The company didn't even bother to include age restrictions to prevent child sexual abuse imagery being generated. This has resulted in hundreds of thousands of sexualised images of women and children proliferating on X. According to one study, up to 6,700 sexually suggestive or nudifying images were being created every hour by Grok. This isn't just horrifying and shocking, Taoiseach, it is illegal under the Child Trafficking and Pornography Act.